Hey guys, I'm Reprops, and today I'm going to show you how I designed and printed a Sith themed lightsaber. The software I used for this was Fusion 360, and I just made all of these basic shapes from cylinders and then drilled some holes into them. I made the clasp of this similar to that of the original Graflex, and I just made that using a cylinder with a cube attached to the end, and then I went through and designed the handle. This handle what I made was similar to the one that the Force Unleashed lightsaber used, and I designed that and then printed it out in some white PLA. I then went through and primered everything with some matte black paint. I put on a couple layers of this just to fill up some of the print lines and then to give it a nice base coat. After all the paint had dried, I went through and dry brushed all of the edges and crevices of this very heavily, just to give it a very, very old look, since the Sith are obviously a very old group of people. And this helped give it a very, very worn look to it, like it was centuries old. And overall, I think this lightsaber turned out pretty good. It's definitely one of my better weathering jobs, and I really like how it turned out, especially the emitter details and everything. If you guys don't mind checking out my Etsy shop, I have a lot of my creations on there, and if you guys want me to make anything for you guys to buy, I would totally be up for that. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to subscribe and like, be sure to. See ya.